We've had a lifetime of customer experiences, and something that you hear all the time is driving down the road and a stone or something small gets kicked up and puts a little star in your windshield.
One thing I've learned in the time I've been in the automobile industry is that windshields, you have to catch them early. If there's a star in the windshield, or if there's any kind of speck or chip in the windshield, you have to get that taken care of ASAP, because that one little chip may start as a chip, but then it's going to end up spreading throughout your whole windshield and causing major problems.
These things are really important to take care of right away. It'll prevent you from having to replace an entire windshield.
The reason why I like the windshield packages is because you could send people out to your office or where you live to fix it right away.
Whether at your home or for your office, they're going to dispatch a technician directly there. They're going to repair that crack as long as it's under 6 inches, no questions asked, and at no cost to you.
I've had customers tell me stories like they're driving down the road, everything's going fine, and all of a sudden a rock flies up and hits their windshield. And next thing you know, you have that little star in your windshield, and they have to get that fixed as soon as possible.
If you get a crack on your windshield and you keep calling the insurance company, as you keep calling the insurance company and making the claims, then your insurance will go up. This coverage will cover that.
Another thing that's a great aspect of this plan is it's unlimited occurrences, unlimited miles with a $0 deductible. So you keep your car on the road, keep that windshield intact, and hopefully it won't happen again.